Here is the completed project. There are 3 detergent boxes here that are connected together. You can see they're hollow in the back. Piping will come out of this plumbing connection here and go to the right off to a washer. And the customer wanted to hide those plumbing connections. So this box will fit just like that on the counter. It won't fall over. I think they're going to be very pleased with it, and I'm happy with it. I'm very happy with it. Here's a view of the other side. This side won't be seen. It'll be towards the washer dryer, but I didn't want to leave it blank. I thought that would be too rough, so I just did it like this. In the back, I have them attached with some Allen screws so that in the rare event that it ever gets dropped and broke, they can unhook the broken piece and send it back, and I can repair it, make it like new. So anyone out there that has any special projects, the sky's the limit pretty much. I never thought of doing this until the customer came up with the idea of doing one. And when I realized one wouldn't cover the whole batch, I added the other 2. And I think it came out very well. I know they're pleased with it, and I'm pleased with it. So, again, it's a perfect time of year. We're right before Christmas. If there's something that you need, or, give me a yell, and we'll discuss it. Anyway, thanks.